Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time before the last one and this one, so I decided then I have to come back. Yes, so it's been a while and a lot of been going on since the last time I've recorded a video and put it on YouTube, and now I'm back. It's time, and it might be the perfect time. So yeah, a lot have happened last couple of years since the last one, and I have a little bit more of free time, so I decided to make a video for you guys and maybe a little bit surprise, maybe. Yeah, what can I decide? I have to say that this is just a one-time non-editing because I have some issues with the program itself to, well, edit it a little bit to make it more fun, sparkling, and it. Um, yeah, I've been well. I can say that at least. And yeah, let's make something out of it. To make it a little bit more fun, I decided to have a little bit of an unboxing, and I'm gonna show you what I've bought lately, and I hope you guys like it. So I'm gonna put this down here, and there's a little bit mirror there. So I decided to let you guys see what I got. And it's a little bit packaged from Zara. No sponsoring, by the way. A little bit of a mature kind of background, but hey, maybe it works out. Yeah, let's see what I have got here. Well, kind of a jacket I have bought and thought, I'm sold, and it looks surprising. I loved it online, so we're gonna try this on later on. I really find it surprising how it's defines and it looks. Really? Yeah, we're gonna see that later on. We're gonna do a next package. A bigger one. You guys want to see it, right? Let me see. That's not gonna work on my phone, by the way. Yeah, let's do it. So, right, I'm gonna a little bit more changing. Always kind of a birthday kind of moment when you unpack a box. Oh, it seems so nice. Let's check. Look how nice! I'm so thrilled to fit it on. Cotton, by the way. Jacket. A very light clothing. I'll put you back on here. This looks really nice. I'm really gonna try this on later on. Another one, very light piece. I don't know the English words for it, but hey, who knows? Looks really good. Really thin material. Something called linen something. Really smooth. Really great for summer. And this one. It's kind of thick, but I like it because of the green detail here. I hope you see it. This one. It goes all over the jacket. Oh, love it, love it, love it, love it. So, I went on a vacation for a couple of weeks ago, and I thought I had decided to buy a shirt from ASOS. I think you guys know the brand by now, and yeah, it's a green kind of shirt with buttons down here, and I wore it on vacation, and I really loved it. I bought a silver necklace with 2 crosses here and here. Can show you the combination later on, and I love it. The outfit is really nice for such events, and looks really good on guys. So I'm gonna put you guys on hold, and I will check you. No, not check you. I will show you the mirror. Hold on. Alright, I have changed, and this is the outfit I'm in. It's really nice green color with crosses. Love the crosses, love the necklace. Just saw the line by via Instagram, and I thought this will be mine one day. And I bought it, and I'm not regretting it at all. Really nice. So you can wear it more open, like summer season. It's extra long, so will fit perfectly with your pants. I'm wearing a green jeans now, but not really matching at the moment, so forget about that. I will turn volume to see what's like in the mirror. Got even more open. And it feels really good. So, next outfit. So this is more of a white jacket. It has a really summer vibe with the brown buttons and the thin line goes all over this jacket, and it's quite thin but very summer-ish. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be, because I think I fit 1/2 extra in this, and I'm not really that. I'm gonna show you in the mirror. This is what I mean. It's really kind of extra, you know. I like it, but yeah. And you can make it a more sportive, cool look by lifting up the sleeves a little bit, like this. I've done here. Yeah. An extra pocket. Okay, next outfit. Alright, next one. This is, I don't know the right word in English, by the way, but it's kind of thin. I thought it does this linen, but maybe you guys have to translate it. Linen, right? So it has a zipper here, so it can be a little bit cooler, and excuse me, I really forgot how this goes. Anyways, leave it in the comments down below, or I'll search it on the internet later on what it means. Two chords here. I really might think this is a little bit too short, maybe because of the length. Gonna show you in the mirror. That's a better idea. No, it's a little bit too short. You can see the button right here, so it's not really that long. Although I like it. And there's an extra long pocket here, as you can see. So yeah, I do like it, but maybe it's a little bit too short. Let me check that out later on. Nice sleeves, and it feels really comfy. Really for a good night out, or just a work day, maybe. Because yeah, it's nice. It's defined. Nice detail here. Really nice work. It's long enough behind, by the way. That there was a little bit of a surprise. I'm gonna tell you later about it. So yeah, it feels nice, although it's really warm on the second floor here, so I'm kind of sweating here. Next outfit. Alright. Yeah, I have to check my hair. It's a little bit messy when I'm changing the clothes. And normally I would wear something underneath it, but it's really warm here, so I'm not gonna do it this time. So I like this jacket. It's really my color too, and I like the line here. I'm gonna zip it a little bit more up. It's another video to go striptease. So really nice pocket here as well, with a little bit of a button. Very sportive. Nice color, nice length. Gonna show you in the mirror again, and don't mind the other mess I've made it out of it down there. It's really nice. Good combination with the jeans. I really like this detail that goes right beyond the back and ends here again, and the zipper can go open more. It's really warm with the jeans on. You have no idea. But I really like this. I really like this. I'm gonna keep this one for sure. And yeah, does something to the face, you know. There's a more nice finisher. Really cool. Yeah, I can't wait to combine it with my jewelry, excuse me, and when I am going to wear it, you guys will see in a video or a post. Check my Instagram for the latest fashion shoots. I made with a friend of mine, and I'm gonna do it for myself. So yeah, check out Peter Corner Official, and I will see you there. And I'm gonna try one more thick jacket, so stay tuned. All right, so last outfit is a jacket with you know, the really revealing green stripe here. I like this jacket though, by the way. I'm gonna show you in the mirror. Don't mind the stuff back there. So it's gonna look like this. There's one button closed here, so feels really nice. It's long, by the way, very nice length. It looks really my age, more fit for nah, I would say event or a barbecue or something like that. Really nice, really well. Looks really like great quality of Zara then. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I really do. Look, really great material. I don't know. Feels like also like winter. Yeah, I do. I'm gonna put this right back to it, so you guys know how that looks as well. In the mirror. So the difference here and there. I really like it. So was talking about a little bit of a surprise later on. You might have get a sneak peek from it. I am busy with my business, and I'm gonna tell you what it exactly is, because the announcement will be very shortly after this video, and I can't wait, because it's my own project. I can't wait to show you guys what I got, what I have created, and I think this might be I think this might be a hit for very many people, and I put my creativity in it. Yeah, my heart, my passion, and I really love to work on this, because it is really needed for very many people, for many types of it. It has something to do with myself as well, and I'm not gonna tell you what it is already, but it is something I think and feel this is necessary for the society to wear. And if I'm gonna tell you even more, you probably might link it to some other things, so I'm not gonna do that yet. Yes, so I will show you that later on, and as you know, I won't edit this video, so this is how it looks to have an edited video. um, and I will see you back later on. Yeah, was my first video after a very long time, and I hope you guys loved it, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and give me your thoughts and minds in the comments down below. Okay, see you guys, bye bye.